Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on copying and moving files and folders. In this lecture we'll see how we can copy files and folders and also how we can move them. So for this we need to import a module called shutil. This module has functions that allow us to move files and folders and also to copy files and folders. Okay. So we have to use the import statement, import shutil module, and to copy files, let's start with copying files. Shutil has a function called copy, shutil.copy, and we specify the file path and the destination path. Okay. Before that, let me show you an example. Import OS. I want to get my current working directory. os.get current working directory. We saw that last time. So this tells me my current working directory. And if I want to change my working directory to some other directory, I use the change directory method. So users / Sami Shumiye / desktop. Okay. So run it, and to find out the list of files and folders in this directory, I can use the list directory method function that we saw last time, os.list directory, and then you provide the directory name, which is this. Let me copy this part, Command C, Command V. Okay, so these are the different files and folders that I have in this directory. So what I'm going to do now is move this summary file, summary.png file. I'm going to move it from my current directory, which is this, to this directory. Okay, let's do that. So shutil.copy, I'm going to copy it. So the file path, users, Sami Shumiye desktop, and then I have summary.png, that's the path, and then the destination path. So my destination path is, I want to move it to users, Sami Shumiye. So this is the destination path. So I'm going to copy this file, So I'm going to copy the summary.png file to this location. So once I copy it, it will exist in both locations. Okay, let me run it. Okay. Now if I change my working directory to this, the summary.png file should be in there. Okay, let me show you that. os.change directory to users / Sami Shumiye / okay, I want to change it to that, and then I can use the list directory function to find out files and folders, users / Sami Shumiye. So in here, this summary.png should be there. Let's see. Summary.png, there it is. So my summary.png file is copied into this location. Good. So that's about copying a file. Next question is, how can we copy a file and rename it? We can also do that In order to do that, we use the same copy function, but also add the new file name that we wanna rename it to. So in this case, shutil.copy. So I'm copying this file from this location, and I'm copying it to users/SamiShumiye. And if I wanna rename it, I add the file name that I wanna rename it to. Let's say new name. Let's say new name.png. So if I run that, new name.png. Okay, run this again and run the last one too. So new name.png should also be in here. New name.png, you see? That's the new name that I renamed it to. And the summary.png was there initially. So that's how I can copy a file and rename it too. Now let's see how we can copy a folder. To copy a folder, we use a function called copy3. C-O-P-Y. Copy3. That's the function that we use to copy folders. Okay, let's show an example. os.get current working directory. So I am in users SamiShumiye. So let me change that to desktop. os.change directory to users/SamiShumiye/desktop. Okay. And then to list out the file names that I have in this directory, I can use the list dir function. So I have this files and folders. So this is a folder. What I'm going to do is move it. I'm going to copy this folder and move it to another location. So let's see how we can do that.